Hello guys, welcome back to the vocab T10 series. This is list 12. We continue words related to money. These words are super high frequency on exams such as IIFT, SAT, SNAP, and MAT, etc. So money matters. List 12, money matters part 3. Squander. If you squander money, you spend money wastefully. Now, the word is not specific to money. You may also squander away time or resources. So the simple meaning of the word is to waste away, to spend wastefully, to lavish. Okay. So some people squandered, millions of dollars on wasteful projects. So squander away money. An interesting link. Just imagine someone buying a Splendor and getting it modified for $1 million. Clearly, he has squandered money, squandered 1 lakh on Splendor bike. That's how you can remember. That's how you can retain the word. So squander 1 lakh or squander 1 million on Splendor. Word family, 2 important words. Splurge. Splurge is also to spend lavishly, luxuriously, and to fritter away. Fritter away is to waste away again. Easy link for splurge. Splurge is equal to spend large. When you spend large, you splurge, right? That's how you can memorize it. Fritter rhymes with Twitter. Fritter away time on Twitter. Don't fritter away time on Twitter. Study for the exams, IIFT, SNAP, whichever exams remain. So fritter, don't fritter away time on Twitter. A person who squanders away money or who spends money wastefully is called a spendthrift. I hope most of you are aware of this word. So a wasteful person is called a spendthrift. He's a spendthrift. Okay. Easy link. Spendthrift spends a lot of money. Synonyms, or rather the adjective synonyms for the word. Adjectival synonyms for the word. Extravagant, profligate, prodigal, super high frequency words, these two. So if someone is extravagant, or if someone indulges or engages in extravagant expenses, he spends wastefully, he spends a lot of money. Extravagant, first half extra, so easy to remember. Profligate, this word can be used as a verb. If you profligate resources, you wastefully spend the resources. This word can also be used as an adjective. So if I describe someone as profligate, I mean that he is wasteful. Profligate wife or a profligate man, a profligate husband spends a lot of money. Yeah? Okay. Therefore, let us try to memorize this word with the help of mnemonics. Profligate. Profit flies through the gate. No matter how much you earn in a month, if you spend wastefully, you are going to spend the entire salary. Profit flies out of gate if you are profligate. That's how you can memorize it. Let me again remind you, the more ridiculous the link, the easier it is for you to recall it later. And you will observe it. So profit flies out of gate if you are profligate. Profit flies out of gate if you are profligate. A synonym, prodigal. Second half, girl. Many girls are prodigal. They do a lot of shopping, H&M, all those fancy dresses, makeup kits, etc. So girls, many girls, I'm not saying all, so this is not a sexist comment, but it is true. So many girls are prodigal. By the way, this word has another meaning, prodigal son or prodigal daughter, a prodigal child. If you have heard this Hindi saying, though for those of you who understand Hindi, subah ka bhula ghar, sham ko ghar laut aaya. The prodigal son. So if someone is returning from an immoral life to a moral life, then we use this word for that particular person to describe that particular person, prodigal son or prodigal daughter. So he is returning from immoral to moral life. Subah ka bhula, sham ko ghar laut aaya is the kind of idea associated with this word prodigal. Very often this word is also used figuratively for Team India. Some players, if they are out of form, for too many matches, and in then one match they perform well, then the next day you might see headlines, the prodigal son returns. So like that. But that is figurative use only. Technically, prodigal means returning from immoral to moral life. Okay. But the other meaning that we are concerned with right now for this session is spending wastefully. So if I describe someone as prodigal, he spends a lot of money. You can associate the two meanings. One who is who once was prodigal must be the one who probably is coming back from that immoral life to moral life. He spent a lot on alcohol, drugs, women, maybe, and he's coming back now. So prodigal. But to memorize it, we can use this second syllable. Many girls are prodigal. Interestingly, the opposite of this word is frugal. Prodigal means wasteful, frugal means economical, spending money carefully, conserving money, saving money, economical. So frugal. Please do not confuse this word family or this word particularly frugal with conjuice. Frugal is not conjuice, he's simply economical. He saves money, he spends money carefully, he is not chindi, he's not conjuice, he's not skinflint, he's not makhichus, whichever word you understand. So frugal, spending money carefully, economical. Interesting link. Fugal. Prodigal mein, we saw that many girls are prodigal, only few girls are frugal. So you can memorize both the words using these two links. Many girls are prodigal, few girls are frugal. They save money. Okay. Word family. So if someone is economical, conservative in matters, or prudent, wise in matters concerning money, then he can also be described as provident, prudent, thrifty, or husbanding. Yes, it is a legitimate word, husbanding, and it means economical. How apt, how appropriate. Easy to memorize them. A provident person will probably save money or invest money or park money in provident funds. So if you keep spending or if you keep saving little bit in a provident fund, you are provident, you're economical. Provident is equal to prudent. So prudent, one meaning is specifically associated with the money. Prudent is equal to provident. Thrifty, a thrifty person will spend 50 rupees carefully, even 50 rupees carefully. The thrifty person spends even 50 rupees carefully. And husbanding, her husbands are husbanding. They are economical. They save money. So husbands are husbanding. So this is the word family, the word list. 12. Splurge, to spend large, to spend lavishly. Squander away 1 million on splendor. Waste away money, time, resources. Squander away. You can also squander opportunity, by the way. So waste away. Fritter, don't fritter time on Twitter. Don't waste time on Twitter. Fritter on Twitter. Profit flies out of gate if you are profligate. Many girls are prodigal. Only few girls are frugal, economical. Provident people invest in or save money in park money in provident funds. Husbands are husbanding. provident is equal to prudent, and thrifty people spend even 50 rupees carefully. The opposite is spendthrift. Okay. So that is it. Until next time, bye bye. If you like these videos, I do not say it often, but please be kind enough to share these videos, to like these videos, subscribe to the channel for regular updates, and okay, bye bye. That should be it.